Good morning students, how are you? Today I am going to take your next chapter, that is chapter number 6 in grammar, that is noun numbers. Children, I have already taken your chapters, that is noun and noun gender. I think you have understood both the chapters very well. Now in noun numbers, we will study about the singular and plural noun. Children, have you remembered the definition of noun? In short, I am taking the definition of noun here on board. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, things and feelings. In this definition, we talk about person, place, animals, things. These are always in number 1? No, these are not always in one number. If this person, place, animal or thing, it is in one. It is one in number. It is known as singular noun. But if this person, place, animal, things, it is more than one, it is known as plural noun. So, have you understood what is singular and plural noun? Okay. Now, to change a noun to singular in plural, we have to follow some rules. So now we will study about the rules. What are the rules we have to follow to change a singular noun into a plural noun? Okay. Now the very first rule that we are going to study is, for most nouns we add s to the singular to get the plural form. It means we add s with the noun to make its plural with most of the nouns. For example, pencil. With this word we are using the letter s and making its plural. So it will become pencils. Next, sparrow. It is the name of a bird. So with this word sparrow we are adding a letter s and it will become the plural of sparrow, that is sparrows. Okay. Now, second rule. If noun ends with o, s, double s, sh, ch or x, we add es with the noun to get plural form. Okay. It means if the noun ends with o, the last letter, if it is o, the last letter of the noun is s. If the last letter of the noun double s, if the last letter of the noun is sh or ch, and if the last letter of the noun is x. To make this noun in plural, we have to use es with the noun to get the plural. For example, here it is written class. The word class or the noun class is ending with double s, so we will add es to make its plural and it will become classes. Now the word watch, it is ending with ch, so we will use es to make its plural and it will become watches. Bus, it is ending with s, so we will add es with this noun and it will become buses. Okay. Now the next rule, that is rule number 3. If noun ends with y, what is it? If the noun ends with y, we have to follow two rules. First one, y, if that y followed by any vowel, we add only s with the noun. It means if any noun that is ending with the y, we have to see the letter before this y. If it is a vowel, what we will do? We will add only s to get the plural form. For example, look at the word tray. Here, the word or noun ending with y, but before this y there is a vowel, that is a. So, to make its plural, what we will do? We will add only s to get its plural. See the next example, the word boy. It is also ending with y. Before this y here is a vowel, that is o. So to make it plural, we will add only s and get it plural, that is boys. Now what is the next rule if the noun ends with y? The next rule is if y is followed by any consonant, we will omit this y and add ies. Did you get this rule? We will try to understand this rule through the examples. Here it is written the word or noun cherry, cherry. This noun is ending with y, but before this y here it is written r, and r is a consonant. So to make or get the plural of this word cherry, we have to omit this y and add ies. Then it will become cherries. Next example, that is family. Word is family. With this word, see the last letter of this word, it is y, but before this here is a consonant, that is l. So to get the plural of this word family, we again have to omit this y and add ies, and it will become families. Now the next rule, that is rule number 4. If noun ends with f or fe, it means if the noun is ending with f or fe, what we will do? We change the f or fe into ves. Okay? It means if the noun is ending with f or fe, we will omit this f or fe and use ves in place of these letters. For example, see the word thief. Thief, it is ending with f. So to make its plural, we will omit this letter and add ves, and it will become thieves. See the next word, that is life, life. Here the word is ending with fe. To make its plural, we will omit both the letters and add ves to get the plural of this word, and it will become lives. Now children, some nouns form their plural differently. It means some of the nouns are here, they do not follow any of the rule to make its plural. So we will have to learn the plural form of these nouns. See the example of this type of noun, that is tooth, tooth. The plural of this tooth is teeth. Here it is double e in place of double o. So this is completely different word, that is teeth. See the word child. The plural of the word child is children. So it is completely different with the word child. The next example is mouse. The plural of the word mouse is mice. It is also completely different with the word mouse. So these type of noun and their plural form, you have to keep it in your mind because they do not follow any rule. Now students, some nouns have the same form in the singular as well as in the plural. It means there are some nouns that are same in the singular and plural form. For example, that is deer. Deer does not have its plural, and the word deer or noun deer is same in singular and plural. Like sheep. Sheep is same in singular and plural form. Furniture. Noun furniture or word furniture is also same in both the forms, singular and plural. Like that we have fish and fruit words. So these are the words that do not have their separate or different plural form. They are same in both the form. These are singular and plural. Now next is some nouns are always in their plural form. It means there are some nouns that are same in their singular and plural form, and these are always in plural form. It means it is already added with the letter S. For example, scissors. Scissors, it is ending with S. So if we talk about a singular scissor or more than one scissors, we will use the same word, that is scissors. For example, trousers, it is always in plural form with the S. For example, shorts, it is also in plural form ending with S. For example, goggles, it is also having plural form that is ending with S, it is goggles. And arms, but here this word arms, it is not our body part. We are not talking about the body part, this arm. We are talking about the equipments or that the things we use for war. So it is known as hathiyar. So this arms is also in plural form always. Okay. Now children, here are some exceptional cases, or here are some exceptional nouns that do not follow any rule. In our first rule, I explain you second rule. In our second rule, I explain you that the noun ends with x. We add es to make its plural. But noun ox, it don't follow the rule. This rule, and to make its plural, we add en, and it becomes oxen. Next, if the noun ends with o, we add es. In general, we add es. But these three nouns, that is piano, zoo, video, they do not follow this rule. So to make its plural, we add only s with the words. Like this piano, it will become pianos, only s we will add. Juice, we will add only s. Videos, we will add only s. Next, that I explained you, if the noun ends with f or fe, we omit this f or fe and use ves in place of these letters. But these words don't follow this rule. Roof, it becomes roofs, ends with s. Chief, it becomes chiefs, and with s. Hoof and dwarfs also ends with s in their plural form. Understood? Now at last, and the last rule that we have to keep in our mind, that is we use fishes and fruits. Fishes and fruits. When we talk about variety, it means when we talk about different variety of fishes, different variety of fish, and when we talk about different variety of fruit, we use fishes for the fish and different variety of fish, and we use fruits for different variety of fruits. Okay, as I have already told that fish and fruits do not have their plural form. These are always same in their both the forms, but when we talk about their different variety, we will use their plural form with this es, fishes and fruits. Thank you.